Ever been intimidated to make chicken Alfredo? Let's make it with some supermarket shortcuts. Check it out. We're gonna use ramen noodles as the base for our chicken Alfredo. I line them in the bottom of the 13 by 9 baker, and then I'm just gonna break this last one and fill in some of the nooks and crannies here. I'm gonna take one of the ramen flavor packets and I'm gonna sprinkle it over the noodles. Going to add 1 jar of the Alfredo sauce. Then from there, I got a rotisserie chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that rotisserie chicken that I shredded and deboned right on top. And now we're gonna add that second jar of Alfredo on top of that. I filled the jar up with water. We're gonna add the water to the base here, and we're also gonna add heavy cream inside here as well. I chose an Italian style cheese blend for the top of this chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna hit it with a little cracked pepper. 350 degrees. Tuck that in for about an hour. This looks unbelievable. Supermarket shortcut, creamy Alfredo. That is a home run. That is delicious. You have to make this. Trust me.